Hello, viewers, again, welcome. Stay blessed, and again, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you very beautiful and interesting designs of X-Max ornaments and upcoming festival ideas, wall hanging decoration, gifts wrapping decoration, wall hanging, and stars making with pop sticks, and many more ideas in this video in one video. If you are watching for this, you are at the right place. Here's the right place for you. So, viewers, in this video I show you very interesting designs like wall hanging, wooden piece, and X-Max ornaments and X-Max trees, wall hanging decorations, and many more ideas. So, what do you think about that? These ideas are interesting, helpful, or not? And we try to show you very beautiful designs like this. So, viewers, watch till the end, stay tuned with us, don't forget to subscribe, and we are showing very beautiful stars, trees, and gift wrapping, many more ideas like this. So thank you for watching, and if you are comment your opinion in my comment section, and we will be very thankful to you and very grateful to you. So viewers, in this video, hello viewers, again welcome. Today we're going to world of X-Max ornaments and X-Max designs, craft ideas, gift ideas, and many more ideas. So let's have a look. So in this video we show you very beautiful and amazing designs, handmade wall hanging decoration ideas, and bottle crafting ideas, and X-Max tree ideas, many more ideas in this video in one video. If you here and there watching what do you what to find and what to do this Christmas and Xmas project for school. So this project is for you, and you're here the right place. So viewers, let's begin the tips. So first of all, you should take some bottle and wrapped it out, some boiled it and warm water. Fill it with warm water at least 15 minutes, 10 minutes, and wipe it out, clean it, dry it. After that, you should have to wrap something like silk or any other thing what you want, or if and jute rope tied on neck the bottom. So after that, you can, another option is you can fill with fairy lights and water bottle hanging decoration areas. After that, you can use pop stick with the making stars and wrap some jute rope, make some pop stick, add some pop stick and beadwork, and wall hanging decoration is ready. After that, you should take something like ornament for ball, simple ornaments, and put some, wrap some silk or fabric or another thing, and another thing is that you should take something like stars or snowflakes, green grass, red pearl, red cherries, and different types of thing you can take. So you can make some star and wall hanging decoration ideas. So after that, you should take some cinnamon sticks, and you can make some X-Max tree, and downside is the width is extra and upside is small thin. So add some ropes and add some grass and add some red cherries, pine cones, cinnamon, and jute rope. It is the rustic look of X-Max, and I think most awaited, most lovable, heartfelt. This thing is very attractive for this season because rustic look is very relaxing and beautiful for our mind. After that, you can make house. And nowadays, here is some mold for house. You can take mold for house, add some ceramic or resin. after that if you made house, so after that you can make some extra thing, like you can add some beads, some lighting, some fairy lights. So what do you think about that? It's a healthy tip, it's a nice tips or not? Your comments is most precious for me and most lovable comments for me. So I'm very thankful to you if you are commenting on my channel. I'm very happy to see that, and I reply all the comments. So thank you for watching, thank you for commenting on my video. So in this video I show you very beautiful wrapped X-Max free ideas. You can make it at home, you can make it the centerpiece of your table, and every guest asked about it. Who made this? This made by, you can say, proudly say that it's made by me. And this is a very relaxing and anti-stress movement, and very beautiful movement. And also you can open your product this season, like make your asset. So make a set, keep smiling, keep shining, keep spreading things. Easiest thing in the world is, happiest thing in the world is giving. So if you giving more, you have more. So thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful day. We will try to give more and more designs for you. Thank you for watching.